In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Shopify store. A favicon is that small icon you see in the tab next to the website title whenever you browse any web page. A well-chosen favicon can make your store more recognizable and professional, providing a seamless brand identity across users' browsing experiences. So, let's dive into the process of setting one up on Shopify step by step. First off, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your online store's control center, where you manage everything from products to themes. Once you're logged in, look for the Online Store section in the sidebar. From there, simply click on Themes, which brings us to managing how our store looks. Now, every Shopify store has an active theme which dictates its overall design and layout. Find the theme you're currently using, and you should see a button labeled Customize right there next to it. Click on Customize to enter the theme editor, where the real magic happens. In the theme editor, you'll notice a gear icon symbolizing theme settings that you'll want to click on next. This is where we can tinker with various theme options, including our favicon, which is sometimes labeled under favicon or even logo. Locate this section, as it's our main focus today. To upload your favicon, select the option to add an image. If you already have an image in your Shopify media library that you wish to use, you can choose it right there. Alternatively, if you have a specific image stored on your computer, just upload it directly. It's that easy. Once your favicon is uploaded, do not forget to save your changes. Click Done and then find the Save button to apply your new favicon to your store. It's crucial to make sure these steps are completed, as unsaved changes mean your favicon won't display. A few things to keep in mind. Favicons are typically PNG or ICO files. PNG is often favored due to its transparent and lossless compression qualities. The common size is usually 32 by 32 pixels, but you can experiment with dimensions that are multiples of 48 pixels for optimal resolution. Additionally, consider adding alt text to your favicon for accessibility purposes. This text will generally appear when someone hovers over the favicon and is quite helpful for users relying on screen readers. Finally, make sure to test your newly added favicon on various browsers and devices. This testing phase ensures that your favicon appears correctly no matter how someone's browsing your store. By doing so, you're making your store both visually appealing and highly functional across different platforms. And there you have it. Adding a favicon to your Shopify store is a simple yet crucial step in enhancing your store's branding and professionalism. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to content like this.